Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I told you I'd be back. I mean, it's been like 20 minutes, but for you guys it's probably been a day, since I'm gonna try to upload this one, I guess technically tomorrow, which is, anyways, it's confusing. But welcome to the channel. My name is Carlos, and if you are new here, hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to be, today I'm going to be using some more of these ready mix paints, but this time I decided to mix some iridescent medium, I think that's what it's called, and I combined a couple, you'll see, I'll show you in a second, a couple of the blues, a couple of the reds, and some whites, and I added some of that iridescent medium to all three of them. So who knows, we'll see what happens. And yeah, so again, thank you for watching. Wait, that's at the end. Anyways, let's rock and roll. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have the paints. Again, I don't know the technical names of these paints. I know this one's the Phthalo Blue. I have no idea what this one is. It's still one of the ready mix paints. It's just a new one that I did not have, and I picked it up. Same with this one. This one is the bright red, I believe, or the crimson, and then this is the new burgundy. It's new to me because, again, I didn't know they had made new colors, but when I went into Michael's, I saw them, I picked them up right away. And then here we have just your regular old iridescent medium. I don't know if you can, that's coming into view, maybe, no, I don't know. And I have the white, I have these two blues here, and then these two colors here mixing with that iridescent medium. And I'm going to be using the Amsterdam titanium white mixed with floetrol for the swipe. And again, we are going to be using a 4x4 inch tile. Sorry for the reflection of the overhead lights. And yeah, let's see what kind of magic we can create. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is my second attempt to the video you probably didn't see. But if you did, it means I posted it. It's the mess that you see down here. It turned out horrible, but maybe I'll make a video on what not to do when making these pours. But anyways, I was able to thin down my paints to a better consistency, and we're going to give this another try. So first of all, I'm going to start with a base layer of white, but this time I'm going to cover the entire tile, so that way it's already glossy or glazed over, so it shouldn't cause too much resistance. But just in case there is, we're going to go ahead and moisten the base with, or the tile with the base layer. So we're just going to go ahead and pour a little bit of white out. Just going to spin this around, just get a nice little coverage over the entire thing, or try to. I don't know why I'm using this stick. I have a tool, my little chink. And we're just gonna go ahead and make sure we get the majority of the tile covered, just like so. I'm gonna pop some of these little bubbles with our friend Mr. Torchy right here. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pour on our colors. We're going to blow them out, we're going to spin it out, and we're going to see what happens. So we're going to go ahead and start with the blue. This time around I was able to thin it out a little bit more. Just going to pile it on right there in the middle. I'm going to take some of the burgundy, whatever color this is. It looks pink on the screen, but it's like a deeper reddish pink, I guess. I'm just gonna go pour that right there in the middle. I'm gonna use the black Amsterdam paint to do the bloom. I guess that's what we're doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour. Let's see. Make sure we get a good little angle here. Maybe invite our little friend, the second camera. Pour out our paint just like so. We're going to then blow it out and see what happens. Bring this little guy closer. just like so. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have some lights that are causing some... Did that work a little bit? Alright, we'll try without that light. No, but now it looks dark. We'll just do it with a little bit of glare. So I'm going to pull this camera back a little. We're going to go ahead and spin this out and see what happens. Slightly better, but we did not get full coverage. So we will cheat and we will add our little globs of paint right here, just to cover up. Instead of it being white negative space, we're gonna go ahead and make it black, just like so. And you know what? Let's blow them out, see if that does anything. Nope, didn't do anything. But I will spin it a little bit more, see if we can't get some of that paint to kind of thin out some more. Alright, enough of that. So, oh, let's see. You little camera, can you get a good angle? Can you get a good shot? Maybe? I don't know. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and call that good. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring you in for the close-up and see what... Hey, nobody's talking to you, little camera. Calm down. Okay, see you in a minute. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a close-up of what looks to be really sandy, really gritty, but it's actually the iridescent paint. I'm hoping this dries to a nice, shiny consistency. And I'm really close in, and here we have, move you out of the way, we have a close-up of a 4" by 4" tile. I'm trying to get a better angle so we can make out some of these lines. Really digging the way this looks, but let's see if we can get closer. Ooh, too close. Then we have our couple little areas that did not quite want to get covered in paint, but it is what it is. And just in case I did not upload that last video, this is, I guess, the second attempt. My first attempt, sadly enough, is right there. He's ugly. I didn't like it, but it's because I did not mix my paints properly and I let them be a little bit too thick. But I'm happy with this one, and I'm just hoping it dries halfway decent. So yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like the video, give it a like. Let me know where you guys are watching from, and I will see you next time.